Facebook ads versus boosted post. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am comparing Facebook ads with boosted post. Which one is better for you to attract your audience? Which one is better for CRM? Which one is better for SEO? And let's get started. So what happens on Facebook is that we know when we are about to advertise our page or our business, we have two options available. The first one is to boost our post, or we can actually create our own ad that we can, then run on our page and on Facebook. So we will figure out that which one is better, because sometimes people will suggest that, okay, you know what, boosted posts are better than ads. And some people suggest that no, boost post does not work in a way that ad works, and ad actually help you attract more audience than boosting your post. So people get so confused that what should they do for their business and which of these ideas is better for their page to attract the audience. So for that, let's go to facebook.com/business and let's see what Facebook has to say between these two, the difference between boosted posts and Facebook ads. So first of all, what is a boosted post? So what happens on boosted post is that a boosted post is a post to your page timeline that you can apply money to in order to boost it in your audience of your choosing. So what happens on boosted post is that, for example, I added this image on my page, right? So what's going to happen is that I maybe posted this image in the start of the month. And now what I have to do is I will just simply go ahead and boost it just because, and it will be, come on the front of my page, and it will attract the audience. It will be suggested to the audience that I wanted to reach. So what's happening is, this is simple. The post that I already created will be posted and people will be able to see it, and I can just run it and it will be shown on my page. And after that, people will come, they will click on the page on this post, they will react to it and buy my product or whatever your business is. If you're selling something, if you are doing drop shipping on Facebook, if you have any other business, or your simple page that for example, you are an influencer, you have a blog, you can boost your post that you already created, and then people will be able to see it. Now the ads work different from boosted post. So what happens is, for example, if we say what is a Facebook ad, now while boosting a post is still considered an ad, Facebook ads are created through Ads Manager and offer more advanced customization solutions. Now, both of these things are doing the same thing. They are actually attracting the audience for you for our page, right? The boost post is going to do the same thing that a Facebook ad would have done. Now, what happens is it's a simple difference, guys, that on boosted post, you will actually, you don't have to create an ad. But when we create an ad, for example, this post, if I wanted to boost it, I can just simply boost it. And to create an ad, I click on create an ad and it takes me to the ad manager where I have to create an ad. And the good thing is that I will actually get a lot of advanced and customization options. So when we click on create a new ad, I will actually get a lot of options that I would have not gotten from boosted post. For example, if the type of audience I want to select, different information that I want to add to my ad could not be added to my simple post that is being boosted. So I will have to create an ad which will run professionally. And we know when ads run, of course, we attract a larger audience, and you get all of these. You can see right here that these different options, these advanced options, for example, selecting a special ad category, selecting the audience, selecting the age, and you can actually, get an overview of your ad as well, the pricing and the people that will be reached with this. So this is how the Facebook ad works. So while you are, creating a post and you want to, get a professional look to it, you will create an ad. So you can see right here that on boosted post, what happens is you'll tell us three things, right? Who you want to reach. Like, for example, when you are boosting your post, you will actually select that who you want to reach. You will select your target audience, your maximum budget. When we boost a post on Facebook, we tell them our maximum budget as well. how long you want your ad to run. Once you click on boost and your ad is approved, people in your audience will see your ad in their newsfeed for the duration that you have set. We set the duration for our ad. Now you can see right here that the Facebook itself is using the word ad for the boosted post, because there is no major difference between these two things, because they are doing the same thing. Boosted post is also kind of an ad. Simple. Again, I'm saying just the difference between the Facebook ad and Facebook boost is that you create ad from ad manager. Again, what more I can do with Facebook ads? The option that we do not get in boost are choose different and ad placement. I can go ahead and select the placement for my ad. For example, in the boosted post, it will be shown on the newsfeed. That's it. But when you create an ad, you can actually go ahead and choose the placement for your ad. For example, you'll be able to uncheck whether you want it to place on Instagram or not, and on your mobile or desktop newsfeed. How does your ad look? You get a preview as well. Then the second option you get in the Facebook ad is use specific ad objectives. For example, choosing an ad objective early on will help you to focus on which campaign type best aligns with your current business goals, and boosted posts allow you to focus on website clicks, page engagement, and local business promotion. But the full ad system in Ad Manager lets you choose objectives such as store traffic, conversion, and lead generation. So these are the different options you are getting in ad. After that, maintain creative control. You actually can do a lot with your ads when you're creating an ad on Facebook. You can, select the placement, you can select the customization, you can do a lot with ads. So after that, you will see another option, use advanced targeting capabilities. So when it comes to ad, you will see right here in the audience, I can actually, do a lot with my audience. I can tag different labels, different tags, and different hashtags to attract larger audience. When it comes to attracting the audience, both of these things are attracting the audience for us, but through Facebook ads, you will be able to reach more people because you are running ad. You have the advanced audience settings in which you can actually, enlarge your audience, the visitors you are going to get to your page or to your business. And after that, just if we go to the summary right here, so you will see it's important for any business to identify exactly what they're hoping for, and to create more advanced types campaigns, use Ad Manager, and to develop your brand awareness. If you're launching your brand out there, you want your friends to know, you want people to know about the brand, you can boost your post. Once your brand is out there, then you can actually, simply go ahead and create ads, and these ads will actually attract audience for you. So yeah, boosts are pretty good to attract the audience. As a beginner, you will be able to, have an idea how much traffic you are getting. Once you are getting the traffic, you can run ads on your Facebook page and attract a larger audience, and then they will buy your product. You will eventually earn money. Your business will grow with Facebook. So yeah, guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you can identify and differentiate between boost post and Facebook ads. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.